Kidding me? That kind of behavior? Oh my goodness, are you sorry?
I'm so sorry.
Okay, oh, that kind of, oh, that was bad. That was bad. Oh, boo. Oh, boy, good thing you kids were at home and didn't have to be here for that. All right, the other thing we did yesterday is we drew 30, 60, 90 triangles with some success and some failure. At the end of class, you wrote these notes down, 30, 60, 90 triangle, and here are the rules. The short to the medium, you take it times the square root of 3. The short to the hypotenuse, you double it. The short to hypotenuse, you double it. So there's a little more to it. I am going to, after our 3-day weekend, I'm going to teach you a way to remember these, and they're not too hard to remember. Okay. That's 30 degrees, that's 60 degrees. Across from the little one is the little side. Across from the medium angle is the middle side. Across from the 90 is the hypotenuse. All right. The basic goes like this. That's the short side, it's 8. The short to the medium's across from 6, is just times root 3. And the short to the hypotenuse, you double it. So when we've got whole numbers, it's pretty easy. When we got whole numbers, it's pretty easy. All right, maybe the short is a little bit silly, like 7 root 2. How about let's impress the people in YouTube land? All right. Short to medium, we take it times square root of 3. So this is how it works. 7 root 2 times root 3. They can see that. And it is 7 root 6. The 7 stays there happily. And the root 6 does not break down. So this is 7 root 6. The short to hypotenuse, we double it. So we're taking 2 times 7 root 2. Can people in YouTube land see that? Now, the regular 7 and regular 2 multiplied, 14, and its friend, the root 2, just stays next to it. This always happens. We're going to go in way more detail as to why this happens after the 3-day weekend. After the weekend. Okay. Oh my goodness. I have the hypotenuse as 40 root 5. Oh no. The hypotenuse. So how do we go from short to hypotenuse? We double it. So from hypotenuse to short, we cut it in. All right, and by doing that, we'll do it so YouTube people can see. So cutting it in half, 40 root 5, but no, I can't say your name. So now Hat Boy can't see it, so I can't say your name because it's on YouTube, and you can't say your name because like if one of you becomes famous, then they could be like, where are they now? And then it could be like, oh, they were in this algebra video. Okay. Let's see. From hypotenuse to short, we cut it in, which is dividing by 2. Can the regular 40 and regular 2 become a 20?
Yes.
It sure can. All right. And then short to medium, you take it times root 3. The 20 sits there happily, and the underneath 5 and the underneath 3. And then one more, which will be officially declared as stinky. The next one will be officially declared as stinky, which I think we can say that on YouTube. This one is officially stinky. Can you already smell it? To go from short to medium, you take it times root 3. So going medium to short, you need to divide by root 3. Okay? Okay. Can't have a root 3 on the bottom. We take it times root 3 over root 3. Does 10 over 3 nicely reduce itself? Can this root 3 and this regular 3 reduce itself? That's just what it is. So it is 10 root 3 over 3. That's what it is. And to get from short to hypotenuse, we double it. So we take it times 2 over 1. Can the regular 10 and regular 2 multiply? Does the root 3 just stay happily next to it? Does that 3 stay happily underneath it? They are all happy. And by the way, those of you in YouTube land, it was a joke. I was not mad at these great people. Okay, I was not. Okay. You could all see. I can't. You could cover your faces, and I could show the class. But then, they'd say like, "Oh, wow, that famous person from." Okay, so let's just cut.